Hello, this week we'll the question this week question asks, what is the advantage of addressing an ethical decision making model? An advantage of using a decision making model when addressing ethical issues that may arise in counsel is that it allows the counselor a model in which to use as an ethical guide. It gives the counselor a system in which to use that will help them if there are issues they are having solving an ethical dilemma. Is there a limitation to such model? Yes. However, along with the advantage, there is also a disadvantage using the decision-making model. It is that it lacks the ability to be culturally sensitive because it isn't something that is tailored toward each client. There is a disadvantage regarding problems associated with different culture, religion, or ethnicity that are not just straight across the board. Why not? I make that decision. Although there is plan, although that is the plan is very detailed and work with the client, it doesn't allow a lot of room for different regards guarding culture other different clients may have. I too agree there are limits to decision making models. As a counselor, it is common to come across certain issues that make you question whether you are making the right decision or not. Many counselors have method they use when they are faced with these challenges. But how does one decide which method is fit for them? Counsel must make sound ethical decisions, but often determine the appropriate course to take when confronted with difficult ethical dilemmas can be a challenge. Ethical decision making plays a major role in the counselor professional because the counselor becomes responsible for everything the client does ethically and legally. Forrest Miller and David came up with a 7-step decision-making model that focused on the ethical problems and the consequence that may come about when trying to work through it. The steps are: you should identify the problem, apply the American Counseling Association Code of Ethics, determine the nature and the dimension of the dilemma, generate a potential course of action, consider potential consequence, and determine a course of action, evaluate the select course of action, and implement the course of action. And that's it for this week.